I have been seeing three particular body washes trending on TikTok and on Instagram. And in my mind, I've been thinking, why is everybody using this particular body wash? If it's not this one, it is this one or this one. There are just three, but people keep using it all over TikTok and Instagram. Today, we are going to put it under the microscope and we are going to examine whether it is best for your complexion. That means, will it enhance your complexion? Will it help your skin to look really, really good? Secondly, if it will improve your skin radiance. And then lastly, if it has a concoction of fresh, sensational scents that will allow you to smell really, really good when you layer your fragrances on top. So gear up. If all of this sounds like something that you're interested in, then of course continue to watch. All right, but before we dive into the full video, I need to first of all thank today's sponsor, which is my very dear friend Eki of Sugar Girl Hair. She sent me this particular wig. It came in a pack that looks like this, and of course a carrier bag, 2 wig caps, all the good stuff. I was able to install it. I know you guys are going to be asking in the comment section, where did you get your hair from? The link is here. She's on Instagram. Her hair is very durable, affordable, and of course budget friendly. Not only that, I got a particular wig from her and I was able to use it for up to 2 years. How many vendors can guarantee that you can use their wig for up to 2 years? I know there are not that many. Now you can wear this hair in two different styles. You can keep it dry and voluminous, like brush it out to give it that full afro look, or you can just give it a little bit of wet, bohemian, cute, breezy, fresh, the girl is looking cute, no makeup kind of vibe. The method body wash with rice milk, coconut, and shea butter that's infused with three major ingredients that are very, very good, especially for your body. Now, let me just mention here, because I know I'm going to get questions like this. Can I use this body wash on my face? No. The answer is no. Please get a designated facial cleanser for your face for cleansing. That is my answer. All right, so let's start with the very first body wash, and that is the method body wash with rice milk, coconut, and shea butter. Now, from just the ingredients, you can guess that this particular body wash is a nourishing and highly moisturizing body wash. Now, I checked their website. They have about 3 other fragrances and the kind of variants of this particular brand. That's the method body wash comes in 3 other variants that you can always choose. But if you ask me, this particular one that is trending is the one I would like to use because of the key ingredients. So let's break it down. It comes in a quantity of 532 ml. That's a lot of quantity, actually great quantity for the price that it is coming for. Now, it is quite expensive, I have to tell you, but the quantity is absolutely worth it. So you're going to be getting a body wash that has a milky fresh scent that is very, very sensational to the senses. So that means by the time you're done having your bath, people are definitely going to ask you what you use on your body as your body wash. It's a guarantee. It smells so, so good. Now, lastly, this particular body wash is infused with rice milk. And I think for me, rice milk is playing a key role here at reducing the appearance of wrinkles, helping to minimize UVA damage, that's ultraviolet aging ray damage on the surface of your skin, and of course increasing ceramide production so that you can eventually have a very youthful, moisturized, and beautifully smelling skin. All right, so the next one is the Dove Nourishing Body Wash, and I have used this one in the past. As a matter of fact, I usually always see people use the Dove Nourishing Body Wash or the Dove Shea Butter Body Wash. Either of these two is what most people usually gravitate to buy. Now, in my opinion, I would always choose the Dove Nourishing one because it has a unique vanilla fragrance that just ties in with the kind of fragrances that I like to use on my body in a day-to-day basis. Now, this particular body wash has a very milky fragrance and a milky texture that lathers a lot. Like with the Dove body wash, you can use just a little bit and it will foam and lather up a lot. And I think when you're trying to use something that adds to your pamper body care routine, you want something that will lather a lot and that will make you smell really, really good. And this body wash is very, very good for it. Now, it retails for about 5,300 when I got my own about 2 months ago. The quantity is 400 ml. That's 400 ml. The quantity obviously ties in with the price. It is great value if you ask me. You can use one bottle for as long as I think 3 months or 2 months or so. I know I used my own for a long period of time. Now, if you ask me, this body wash is purely moisturizing. It does not really do so much with trying to brighten your skin, but with the method one, you will get a lot of brightening because it has rice milk, but not intense brightening. your complexion is going to be enhanced and your radiance will be popping like this. But with the Dove Nourishing Body Wash, you will not be getting so much when it comes to enhancing complexion. But when it comes to fresh scents, improved moisturization on the surface of your skin, and just getting a lot of pampering, this particular body wash is it. Now, this body wash, the two, that's the method one, and the Dove Nourishing Secret is good for all skin types and all skin tones because we are only focusing on what you're going to use from your neck downward. So this particular body wash, that's the method one, and the Dove one is good for all skin types and all skin tones. When you're trying to buy a skincare product, you guys know I always tell you that first of all, you check the price, the quantity, the key ingredients, and you need to read the reviews on social media. Now, when I was making my research to put together this particular video for you guys, I checked the website as you guys will see on the screen, and I also was able to read the reviews that people had about these two body washes that I'm talking to you. So yes, it is definitely what they hype. It gives intense moisture, like the two body washes. If you're looking for something that will just moisturize your skin, and your skin is the kind of skin that is maybe very, very dry and dehydrated, these two particular body washes are the way to go. Absolutely sold on these two. Now, the last one is the St. Ives Pink Lemon and Mandarin Orange. Now, when you hear of that, you're talking for the citrus family. When you hear of citrus, we are talking vitamin C. And when I say vitamin C, expect brightening. It's like that. All right. So this particular body wash includes, let me just mention here, includes walnut extract. That is walnut that is grinded together, that allows the body wash to gently exfoliate your skin and remove dead skin cells from the surface of your skin. Now, with the method and the Dove Nourishing Body Wash, there is no exfoliation. It is just pure pampering, pure moisturizing. But if you want something that will enhance your complexion in terms of brightening, something that will improve your radiance by removing dead skin cells, something that would also have a lot of scent to it, the St. Ives Pink Lemon and Mandarin Orange is the way to go. I know for a fact that I'm currently using the St. Ives Oat Milk and Vanilla Extract. No, I'm using the St. Ives Vanilla and Oat Milk Extract particular body wash. This one right here, this is one that I am currently using, and you guys know I'm a sucker for vanilla. I cannot, like, when it comes to vanilla, I am always there because I just love the unique floral scent that it adds to my entire vibe. So for me, St. Ives has my heart with this particular variant. But if you're the kind of person that you're tilting towards something that will brighten up your skin, definitely get the pink lemon one and the mandarin orange one. Very, very good. Foams and lather up easily. But there is one thing you need to expect with exfoliating and brightening body washes, you will not be getting a lot of moisturizing. That means if a body wash tells you that it has something that exfoliates your skin and that brightens your skin, that means you need to make sure that you are using a body lotion that is intensely moisturizing to add to the benefits of the body wash. Does that make sense? I think it does. So that is how you are going to go about it. If it is not where you want to be, I would highly advise that you go for any of the previous two that I mentioned earlier. Now, let me just mention here also as a caveat that if you want a body wash that will intensely brighten up your skin by up to 10x, the Naturium Vitamin C body wash is the way to go. And I reviewed it in one of my videos right here before, I think about 2 months ago, and you guys have, as in, I checked how you guys ordered the product. You guys went all out and you ordered it. And I'm sure that in another 28 to 30 days, you will start seeing huge changes because vitamin C is very, very good for improving collagen production, helping your skin to stay bright, radiant, and very, very youthful. So that concludes today's entire video. If you enjoyed it, let me know what your thoughts are in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. Please make sure you check my girl's Instagram page. Her hair is very, very good. She has luxury wigs and luxury hairs that require minimum to little maintenance, and I know that is what we are going for. You want to buy hair that you know that left to you, you don't have to take it to the salon to install it all the time. I did all of this by myself at home without a lot of work. All you need is this spritz bottle, spritz it all over the hair to always revive the curls and to keep it moisturized. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video and you found it very, very helpful. As usual, everything will be linked in the description box down below and in the pinned comment section. Please make sure you check it out. Don't come and be asking me in the comment section for something that is already in the description box 6. Always check the description box before you ask me questions. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. It's giving the girl is cute and she's not trying hard. Bye.